Rồi rồi.
Ta katanya jeung ai lanya.
Dahap rum lele dah. Dahap rum pak dia yap her sekarang. Pedang subhai pi saya kena ke channel cungam mata ke sini kadai sini sya. Kena ke David Scott Road bam sya. Yes. Kita. Wow.
Kalat.
Oh, klan le tau re. Woi. Bong baik. Ha. Baik. Cuba lagi.
Ini tak duduk diam.
Hai na den ru.
Oh.
Dia ni. Oh, near the David Scott Road. This is David Scott Road from Mouse Step to Wat Tham. The road is so bad. But this road made by David Scott people. Not him. He's not making because he's boss. So he's just giving the order to his people. I don't know. My scooty can go or not, but OMG the road. Turun situ teh. Turun situ teh lah komba.
Jai bro, jai pino state.
Seru sino ko don.
Syaru state. Nasal dat lu stu.
Lendet teh ulum na lendet uni ne.
Sendet teh lu.
Teh bahe.
Em leru teh. Unek belum kusek ne.
Oh. Oh, lendet teh telah pe maplang ni.
Punya nanti menari.
Em kok pe cepok dah.
Sama. Kerbas barial. Surak kongkaner warna seperti.
Oh. Kerana. Dạy này. Một phlang.
Lang gede nih sih.
Nanang luai.
Anong luai. Dinas kuan nga. Ya cedut lan mo lang. Tah, oke tah.
Bu nah ni nè.
Naik kok bu teh.
Sei.
Hewan seperti ini ya? Tuan saya.
Tena mau step.
Ano mo step. Milis na.
Susyo, ah.
Awat ham. Nakikira ka pas surap na pun lihat deh. Lihat atur kombenem.
Slip kat ni tayo ka bread. Bakalong penuh deh. Bah.
Itu kalau menjar deh. Lek ni biar gue.
Wey. Labret. The road is not good, bahaya. Oh. Oi. Ah. The video, but Allah, why? Oh my god. Rock pedang subhai phi sakni ka channel chunga mata ka singi ka dei sini sha kani ka David Scott Road Bamasha. So hello friends, now we are here in Watham. We came through this David Scott Road and we came by scooty, but I'm not saying you guys can come with scooty. It's better to come by walking. So now we are going to that bridge. We'll just going to the bridge and we'll come back. Okay, so look at that. They are coming through Mauplang to Sora. And now only two of us. Let nang ni na nawa. Hoi. Don't try seneng. So we're good. From this river want to experience something. Maybe there is a good place or I don't know. So we'll just walk through this. So he is the guide who guide me for today. Oi. For today trekking. Mà Văn dạy đây. Văn dạy đây. Một lăng. Nhi là tăng năng tê là màu step. So guys, they are coming from Mau Plang. They are going to Sora. But this is Watham trap, or what they call in English, trap or something like that. Like this, huh? This is the one. And there is children around there. I don't know how many of them, but they are swimming. How many of them? Oh, look at that. Senada bukan jeliu. Di sini.
Harap bukit ang mulai begini. Harap bukit ang mulai.
Kira. Adi kira. Kira. Now I got a friend who will go and swim with me to where the place little bit deep. This one is not deep, so they will come. I asked them to come. Now I got a friend, so thank God. It'll be so fun and be swimming together with them. So, guys, do visit this place. You will love it. This whoa! This one's so fun. Kini kimahe jungi ki badai na po than mau plang. Ayo dos entah bania jingi lang. Oi. Oh my god. What? Hey. Nun em jingi ni. Hả? Station đang cũng nó cầm station đang nè. Em có biển.
Đi pecah. Nih.
Kriat. Ini perlok kita ginang pacik. Di Weiru dan kebaya yang teh David Scott Road. Tinggal segini nih. Ta ka tinggi jeung island. Tu ai biang sa isin.
Oi, nanu siya ah.
Nuôi.
Oh.
Luhui bet. Rồi. Alis ni udah. Tapi yang.
Ya nè. Bút sụp phui à. Ya. Ya đi làm. Dapat.
Ini apa yang kayu om?
Yo.
Ini kayu om Gus.
Yo.
Oh, sepi kayu. Oh ya.
Wan dah phui ro argut bet.
Hadi.
Jumlah benar rapat din ni burit. Rapat din ni kamera. What my file? Tuli aja.
Dah siapa lah yang meh?
What room ya?
Kan bay ni.
Larang yang konvet.
Phui dah lah phui yang teu. Join
Jangan
ma.
tak mo.
Hey.
One on Lạ đấy nhá, còn đâu chưa?
Wah, kabut ka mau. Ayah. Ayah. Udah. Hey, kisah aku menurut dong saya. Kisah aku menurut bang.
Ya, very cool.
Kreat nih. Kreat. Tiba kreat. Oh, tuh six pack myo iradom. Hello guys, after swimming and the water is so cold. Now we are going to the bridge. Look at this water, so cool and so nice. Wow. I got friends. I'll show you. They are ahead.
This one from Maplang village.
They are from my flanks. Many people are coming for trekking. Stay. Kibon magi beri. Tongen dapat le new way ba ang bomler ngipet. Umlong. Nut. Unui mas tarjingi chongi. Tay chiking tay gibriu ing tay. Takalan tui ba lampui da ba he. Bubes cha. Long takalan tui sino?
Oh, di nasial le lah baklang ah.
Ha?
Di nasial le. Nó chỉ nó cloud rồi đấy.
Long no nuim lai.
Tu ya lama siang kulai ya dia.
Perlok mentah. Ini ki. Nong flang ya bakalan ti ni.
Viết nó cloud là.
Long dah hap ang ni la siu. Cùng ni bet. Baklau lai nam lai.
Rồi. Hơi.
Thank you to David Scott. Thank you to David Scott who make this road that not this way from that side. Made by David Scott, his group. And if you go this way, that way, you'll reach to Maplang. And this side you'll reach to Sirapunji. So many people, more than 100 people are what I saw, more than 100 people, but many people are there. So guys, please come and visit. It will be a good experience for you all. Okay, I'll show you on top of that bridge. Look at this. The river is very clean, crystal. Okay, that one was made by a British. I'll show you. Oh, phải cái rừng kiêng và sna đầu the bit Scott đây cái này. Mình mà lịch gì?
Lên thôi. hả
cái này nó đơn sao vào đi
đây luôn
nó leo được tùy anh mà cái lạnh được nhưng gần đây
Nih. Hah?
Ini banyak tuh bro. Ini
Guys.
tuh begini lagi bang.
This is the bridge was made by British David Scott. So look at this. This way is going to Maplang. This way going to Maplang, and that way going to Churapunji. Dia perlu kalau dari situ kami sama Maplang, but nang tupat kami sesora. Tiga ni kecik ngatrai lo dengan makla kadang tak basna ki parengi tang ngatrai kila repairi ketua ni teh dari bangsa berin tengah kenar. Dah habrum lele dah. Dah habrum pak dia yap her sekarang.
empat kira punya ber
Lak tong badai hamau.
kira dua menit aku
Kini ki model mentasngi di bawah nyalam yang ada lapo di sini. Sini pak. Bukan cur kelembam dok. Tu bam gadok sudah pak. Tu bam jali. Beri berit tifin bahaya. Tu jahabat beri. Tu hai beri tifin berit. Tang ni hakarit hak senar. Yang ni kan pak. Yang ni bam jahang ni ha jingking. Silang bat mau pelang bat ka. Ini silang. Like kerok. Oh, kahap like kerok sini silang kahap mau pelang. Jadi ni di barok na mau pelang tiwe na kon kukon. Dia dangila de pamcana ni ngihap de lala ka jong kalenti tu sia le semua pelang ngin pai biangsa mo step kukon sti. Senang ayu ni?